So yan, good day. I'm here to present my work, the Finance Lab 3, Serial Communication. So ngayon, um, I will present activity 1. So control I will be using the serial of the microcontroller. So but let's go to the first one. So here's my here's my Arduino circuit. So as you can see, I put the I put the LED in the pin 11. So and the virtual terminal on pin 1 on TXD and TXD to RXD. So now here's my code. As you can see, I initiated the LED pin into its value 11. So board setup, serial begin, for the serial to initiate, and then pin mode of LED pin to output. So now I will print the serial lights on to type Y and lights off to type N. So now in the board group, as you can see, I while serial is available, then we will read the serial data. And then if data is equals to Y, lights on. We will digital write to the LED pin that it will be high. And else if N, and it will be lights off. And then digital write LED pin low. Then let's see. So here lights on or lights off. If Y, then lights on. If you input N, then it's lights off. So that's it for number 1, and let's go to number 2. Here's number 2. As you can see, it is create a program and circuit to control the speed and direction of DC motor using UART. And then, as you can see, here we will control the motor using UART. So here you can see the L298 motor driver and the Arduino board and the virtual terminal. So here's my code. First, we will set up the input pins of the motor controller. So here, as you can see, input 1 is 13, input 2 is 12, and so on. And enable pin will be 9. So now you can see the serial is initiated, and all all pins on the Arduino that is connected to the motor controller will be set to output, and also the enable pin will set to output. So I printed an indicator for select direction for forward, backward, or stop, and then select speed 1, 2, 3. So if serial is available, so we will read the data, and the incoming data will be read. If the incoming data is F, then it will move forward. If B, backward. If S, stop. So also if incoming data is 1, then we will set the enable pin to 85. Then we will print speed mode 1 and 170, speed mode 2. If incoming data is 2 and if incoming data is 3, we will print speed mode 3, and the analog write value will be 55 for the enable pin. So here, let's see. First, let's set the direction F forward. Then set the speed to 1. Then let's set the speed to 2. Let's set the speed to 3. Then backward. Then stop. So that's all for number 2. Then let's go to number 3. Create a program and circuit displaying the following in LCD. The shown data in LCD was entered using UART in the following format. So pH, humidity, temperature, dissolveoxygen. So in LCD we will see this: pH 7, humidity 6, temperature 4, dissolveoxygen 5. So sample here's my circuit and here's my code. So let's write it. Then, as you can see, I initiated the LCD. I inputted the LCD library, string input. This is where we will store the data from the input from the terminal. So this is the Boolean string complete in order to indicate if the input of data is completed. So as you can see, I initiated the initiated the serial, I initiated the LCD, clear the LCD in order to be sure that we have a clear display. So, and we will print PHP. We will print the layout, and then we will print in the serial terminal that input that you should input the values and press enter to continue. And then in the loop, as you can see, as always, we will read if serial is available. Then we will read the incoming data into this incoming char. So if incoming char is equals to n, and then if it is entered, if enter is pressed, so we will be able to see this string complete is equals to true. Else, if incoming char is detected that it is the backward, that the backspace, then as you can see, we will remove the last string. And else, if not, none of that is met, none of that condition is met, you will see that the incoming data will be inputted to the input string. Will be added to the input string. So, and the string complete is equals to false. Means there are still other strings to be inputted. And if string is completed, the enter key is detected, and the data will be processed. So, and the input string and string complete will be reset. And as you can see here, I made the void process data method, accepting the string data string parameter. So first we will initiate an delimiter index, data string index of comma. As you can see, we will count the comma. We will count the comma of the input. So the input of temperature, humidity, pH is separated by commas. So as you can see, if the delimiter index is not equals to 1, so we will we will look for the value before the comma, and then it will be inserted into pH. So, and then that will be also processed into the temperature, humidity, and dissolveoxygen. And then as you can see, LCD, it will print it in the LCD, the value. And if the input is not completed, if there is no temperature inputted, if there is no humidity inputted, so it will be printed that it is not complete. So let's see, input the values. So let's input the values first. 12, 24, 45, 56, 78. Enter is detected, and as you can see, the value is outputted into the LCD. So imagine if let's input incomplete data. So I'll only input the pH. So 12. Then as you can see, although the enter key is detected, the input value is incomplete. So it will be stopped there. So let's see again. We will input pH, humidity, and temperature, no dissolveoxygen. So still the input value is incomplete, and that's all for my final slide.